I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline.
Recording in progress.
Like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where
I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down.
What up, chat? What up, chat? Good morning.
I was down, but now I'm up.
What's good? What's good? How you guys feeling? Everybody good today? W's in the chat. CPI today, hey? You up? You guys up or what? Feeling bullish? What's good? What's good? Who we got here today for CPI? Louis G is in the building. What up, Louis G? What up, Kelvin? Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? George VDM, the mod squad is here. What up, Buzz Blab? What's good, Purpose? What up, Traders X in the building? Oh, I got to message you, Traders X. What's good? What's good? What's good? Tamra in the building. OGH in the house today. What up, OGH? Actually, every day. Every day. Buzz Blab. What up, Wags? What's good, everyone? What up, Rapid Max? Mr. Lopez in the house. Perez in the building. Hey, Perez, you can show us that wrench right now. You know, Green, I think Green be missing the first couple minutes of the stream, so you got some time to shine, man. What's up, Lorenzo? What's good? What's good? What up, Blessed Trader? How you feeling? Arnie in the house. What up, Arnie? Grind Time Mufasa's here, tagging the whole squad. Let's go. Who's he got here? He's got Perez, Purpose, Louis G, Arnie, Kelvin, Buzz Blab, Stevie Mac. What up, Stevie Mac? What up, James Clack? George VDM. Mr. VDM to you. What up, SHR? What's good? What's good? I'm doing very well. Hope you're doing good. What up, everyone? Happy Tuesday. It is CPI day. What's good, Ewan? Ewan's in the building. CPI day today. So it should be a really, really good day ahead of us, man. Good morning, Catherine. What's good? What's good? What up, Harry? Jolla. I see you, brother. I see you, Jolla. Let me, I think I sent the Zoom link out. Yeah. Hi from Romania. What's up, AG? How you doing? My bad, Zoomers. Sent the wrong link to you guys. Here's the right link. Let me delete that one. All right, cool. All right, Zoom should be good. Let me move my chat over here. Boom, boom. Let's pray. We're going to pray in just a moment. Let me just finish this. The chat's in. All right, cool. Awesome. Yeah, I think we're good. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, by the way, you guys can join our free Discord, completely free. Fire community there. As you guys, you know, it's beginning. We're beginning to really approach trading season now. You know, where March, April, May, June, July. These are going to be very, very good months in terms of what you see on gold. So it is trading season. Yeah, no longer preseason. What's up, Susanna? That guy TK's in the building. What up, TK? What's good? New York session. Yeah, you guys can join the free Discord. Did you guys do anything in London? Anything? Spooky. It's getting spooky. Gold spooky, eh? Yeah, this is our Discord, so you guys can feel free to join. There should be a link in the chat. You can hit !Discord, and this is the room here. So this is basically like, you know, I study a lot of stock traders too, and like this is the pit. You know what I mean? Like the live stream here and the Discord, that is the pit. So welcome to the pit, man. Welcome to the trading floor. Yeah, community, man. I can't really explain how important community is when you're a trader. This could be a very, very lonely game. So if you find it right to be here, welcome. We welcome you guys and hope we could help out. What up, LeGrand? I see you, bro. I see you. What up, DT Gamer? All right. Let me lower the music. We're gonna pray real quick and then we'll get started here. Let me just lower this. Perfect. Let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a brand new day, Lord. We thank you for sowing seeds in us, Lord, that got us here. I ask that you would bless everyone's future. I ask that you would bless them with a vision, Lord, and show them that you have plans for them to prosper, Lord, and to not be harmed, but to be in good wealth and to be free, but not to use the freedom for selfish needs, right, Lord? I pray that you would get it through to them, that they would use that freedom to empower others and to inspire others, Lord. So we thank you for blessing our story, blessing our road ahead. We ask that you bless this day and everything we do in it, and we give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Lovely, lovely. So I think we are pretty much good to go. Yeah. Link is out. I think that okay, yeah, Zoom link is out. We're good to go. Let's go ahead and get started here. Let me put my headphones on. Seems a little weird without it. All right, cool. Music should be good, and I think we're ready to rock and roll. So let's go ahead and get the day started here. Today is, let me fix my mic. Today is the 11th, or no, today is the 12th day here of March. It is Tuesday, and it's another day. It's another opportunity for us to show up to the floor here, show up to the pit as professionals, because we want to make money, we want to earn an income, right? We want to use this stuff to change things in our lives. So we're not going to be able to do that by gambling. You can just, you know, for the most part, study the average gambler, and it just doesn't work out. But when you have an edge and you can act as a professional, then typically that's where you're going to see success come from. So that's what we're going to do here today, like we do every day, and we're going to begin it off in stride. With taking a look at what's going on in the news, and then we'll open up the charts and see what we got going on here today on gold, and we'll take a look at NASDAQ. So how's the music? Is the music okay? Seems loud to me. Let me know. Let me know if it's good. Good. And you know, some of you guys, again, you guys made plans on Sunday night, and it's only Tuesday, man, and you broke it already. You know, you broke it yesterday on a really tough day, pre-news, pre-CPI, right? That's why we were very hesitant. Music's good. Cool. This is why we're pretty hesitant and very, very picky on the Monday before CPI, because when you're doing this for a couple years, you begin to understand the flow, right? And you begin to understand what to expect on a day like that. And that's a day that just eats at traders' balance, man. You know, traders get all excited. It's a Monday, and then you just got, you know, wicks up, wicks down, and all this crazy stuff. So if you did break the plan, let's get back on it today and just use that as a reflection, right? That you got some work to do, right? You got some discipline to get up, you know what I mean? But if you are staying to the plan, congrats to you. We're gonna have another day of that, and it should be another great day here. So let's talk about the news here today. Again, it's the 12th day of March. We don't have anything up until 8:30, but once 8:30 comes, we'll have the CPI report come out. This is gonna be major news. You should see a lot of volatility and volume to follow today after 8:30 here. So price may range until then, but once we do get this result here and these numbers, you will see price make a really strong move here today. So we're gonna see if we can capitalize on that with you know, if and when our edge shows up, then we can participate, right? If our edge doesn't show up, then we can't participate in it. It'll be great to watch, but all in all, we should get some opportunities here today. So let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's do a top-down analysis here and see what we can plan out here for the day. If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like, man. Hey, yo, if you're not subbed to the channel too, subscribe, because we're about to crack 33. About to crack 33. Can we get there today? Can we get there today? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, almost. All right, let's new mods at 33. Ooh, yeah, we'll talk to MG about that. But there are so many amazing people here that could be mods, man. I'll be honest. Yeah. Yeah, so give the stream a like, sub to the channel, and let's take a look at the charts here. So let's go ahead and open things up here on the desk, and let's see what we got going on here. So you guys ready for a breakdown? MG, yo, Perez, I'm telling you, you got to flash it while he's not here, bro. Excuse me. See how he's not here right now? Now's your time to shine, brother. All right. All right, let's run it. So let me yeah, so taking a look at gold here, right? So this is the weekly chart here. So as you guys know, we have obviously broken all-time highs, and we've began to create new all-time highs. Now, as you can see, this price has really been running up since about 2000, right? We came consolidated right around 2000, created support, and then you know, we had this range to the left-hand side in which we were trading in for a little bit, but this is eventually where we had a breakout of the white range, right? So if you have a breakout of the white range, and then let's say you have another range now up till this wick fill, right? We'll call this one the pink range, right? So if this is the pink range, you're not going to be able to trade in that range sufficiently unless you actually get a breakout into the range. So what happened here was price was just, you know, consolidating for a bit in the white range, couldn't break below, couldn't break above, finally did break above, and you had this wick to fill right within this pink range here. So now we have created all-time highs after breaking this wick, and now let's call this the, I don't know, the green range, right? So now this is a new range here, right? This is the green range. If you look on lower time frames, this area here is going to be a resistance, and as long as we're above in the green range, then we have a high probability to continue moving up, although these are the all-time highs and we don't really have any targets to the left hand side here. It's still, you know, will most likely retest this and continue moving up, unless it wants to do something like this and then begin to trade back in the purple range. But we are not there yet. We are still very bullish based off of these higher time frames, and we're going to remain bullish on the higher time frame until we see otherwise. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily here. Now, the daily's been on this bullish rally here, right? So as I stated yesterday and probably the day before or Friday, we are really bullish until we get a bearish closure. Right now, we're starting to begin to have some signs of that bearish closure. Number one being, we've been traveling up for quite some time, right? We really do need to see some sort of a pullback on price. It's just natural for price action to do that. Now we've got one clue right here. So we've broken the lows here on the previous daily candle. We're beginning to head down pretty strongly as well. That's a good sign. Also, if you guys notice, this candle, this bullish candle, never broke the highs here of the previous bullish candle. It closed very small. We are expecting a pullback, right? And this is the opportunity now where you see these lows being broken to potentially have some sort of a bearish candle closure here today on the daily time frame, right? All depends on news and all that good stuff, but can we see a bearish close here today is the big question, right? Because if we can really see that closure, now we have an opportunity to say, okay, price can begin to head down now, which is what traders need, right? Because you need ranges to trade. If you're stuck up here, you have no ranges to trade. So you can potentially see, now that we're breaking these lows, if we close bearish, you know, there may be an opportunity to come back into this zone here, or come all the way back down towards 2080 and retest that area before creating support, right? So something like this on the daily, it could happen this week. So we'll see about that, but that's kind of like what I would expect. Or you may just get it to form right here, right? Support form right here, back up we go, and price continues running. So those are some ideas off the daily time frame. Now I am bullish, but we have broken the lows, so I'm very open for sells regardless of anything that's happening on price action today. If we look at the time, it's 7:25 here. We have heavy news at 8:30, so I'll probably just sit tight and wait for that on this daily candle before taking any trades. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. We've broken the lows. We understand we need a pullback. The 4 hour has been moving down. Now look, we did break the lows here, right? But the candle that broke the lows rejected right back up. So if you guys zoom in here, this is your range here on the 4 hour chart, right? So you have this range, you have a support, you have a resistance, and this becomes the range that you're trading in, right? This yellow range here. Now we haven't had a candle closure outside of the range just yet. So this right here, this wick here, became the candle that broke the previous daily lows, right? This is your current daily wick. This is your previous daily low. That's the candle that broke the low, but we never closed below the range, right? So we broke the daily lows and then just popped up right away. Now, you are seeing a pretty significant candle here, which is now driving, filled the wick, re-broke the lows, all that good stuff. Should go ahead and fill this wick right here. And this 4 hour close is going to be big, right? It's a big closure here today, but we still have plenty of time, over an hour and a half until that candle closes today. So let's go ahead and see what all this looks like. This wick, right? We need to see what that looks like on the lower time frames here. So as you can see on the 1 hour chart, you have a very strong support sitting right here at 2174. I would also say you have a pretty decent resistance here at 2178, and this is your range, right? This is the current range we're in. This is the range that we were in all day yesterday, which was basically like from here to here, right? That was your range yesterday. You've kind of broken out of that a little bit, and we're trying to see if now if we can get below this level here. So there's no top wick on this current candle, which is pretty interesting, with 2 minutes left to go on the 30-minute time frame. But let's go ahead and see what the 30 looks like here too, so we can kind of take a look at that support. Yeah, so that support's pretty, it's there, you know, it's there on the 1 hour, it's there on the 30-minute. 30-minute, we may have to raise that resistance a little bit to cover for this new area right here. And this is the game, right? So this is pretty much game here today. Very, very clean range coming down. You got a wick to fill. Below that is even more clean ranges, right? You've got a nice range coming down towards the support level, and same thing down here. So plenty of ranges here on gold today for price to move down. Wow. Yeah, not bad at all. 41 pip range, another 41 pip range, and like an 80 pip range. So lots of room to move down here today. I would say price may push down, but we are very bearish still on the weekly and on those higher time frames. So we gotta be careful with that. We understand that we did break those daily lows here, but you need a big closure now, like especially the 4 hour really needs to close below support here at 77. So we got no top wick here on the 1 hour candle or the 30-minute candle, which is pretty interesting. Let's see if we end up closing below in about 1 minute here. And being that we are bullish, we do need to wait for some sort of a second range to either that or some type of celery play, because if we're bullish here today, we could break those lows and then just pop back up, right? And basically do a pack runner on the daily time frame for price to continue moving up today. So we got to be careful with sells right here. But if we do get some sort of a range 2 / celery play, I think there's an opportunity to take sells or a pack runner, right? If you just get something to grab the pack here. I mean, what would be ideal would be a pack that looks like this, right? You got a bullish candle closure, comes up, makes a high on the previous candle, and then the next candle, which would be NY open, drive down. Right, so that could be an idea right there when it comes to what we could see here at NY open. But again, we do have heavy news coming in, so that kind of, you know, puts us on a little detour here at NY open today. So we'll see how everything plays out. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got here today on gold. Yeah, I'll get rid of a few of these ranges. I'll get rid of this guy for now. Just leave it like that, yeah. And then buys will be probably a closure above here or some sort of a closure back in the range. Then you may get signs of price moving up. But for the most part, I will most likely be just sitting tight for news to come out here today. Perfect. So the way it's looking for me is buys above 21.79, and then range 2 sells here below 21.74, and then clean sells below, I would say 69 there. Right, if you actually get down below, break that low there, you should travel down towards 56, no problem. So yeah, that's the day here for me, and we'll see how it unfolds. Stress it up. Yeah, target on buys now would at least be the wick fill. So let's go ahead and mark that wick fill off. See where that is. So yeah, I mean, you can see price running back up, right? Running back up towards 87 there today. So that's pretty good potential. I think that's like a 70 pip range. 80 pip range. So yeah, good day ahead. Good day ahead. That is the game. Any questions? Yeah, times changed here in the US on Sunday. So for those of you guys that are overseas, we have changed our time here. So it is currently 30 minutes for the until the NY open. Our chart is identical. Sheesh, nice, dude. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can you please check my gold trade? Yeah, no problem. Just send it in the Discord, charts for stream, and we'll take a look at it. There it is, Perez. I see you. Okay. Okay, okay. Let's take a look. Price retest the zone, close back in the range. Price close below. Okay, yeah, nice fake out back into the range. I dig it. I like it. Yeah, you had a rejection to this area here. Very nice. Very nice. Good view here on the market today. Yeah, looks good, bro. Looks good. 30-minute time frame. Nice. Yeah, very good. Very good trade. $30-minute. Right back in here. Cool. I dig it. Nice trade. Nice trade. Is there a good channel in the Discord that everyone looks at Asian session? Because London, New York for me right now is hard. Yeah, we have so if you come into our Discord, there's actually a specific channel right here for Asian session. So if you're trading Asian session, pop in here. I was looking at I was on the desk a little bit last night during Asian. Even I was like, hey, who's trading Asian tonight? You know, so I was also listening to this podcast. This is really good. These are the guys I like to listen to, man. They're just so wise in trading. But yeah, you can come in this channel here. Call out for people. Who's here? And then yeah. See what's up. Sometimes I'm in there from time to time. Do I think it's better to avoid trading before CPI? I do, yes. Yep, I would not take any positions here until CPI. Consolidation everywhere. Yeah, all pairs should be ranging. All pairs should be ranging currently. Let's look at NASDAQ real quick, do a quick rapid fire analysis. So weekly time frame, finally, nice bearish closure, right? So remember we, was that, yeah, you see how okay, so let's start on the weekly, right? So weekly candles move down with no bottom wick or no top wick on the candle yet. Remember we talked about that yesterday in the morning? When we first started the stream, it was ripping down, but no top wick. Right, same thing with the daily, and we finally came up and see how we made a top wick now for the previous candle. So this candle ended up having no top wick, really didn't do much, and now this candle came up to make a top wick for it. One thing you can say is that we're making higher highs here, right? We are, if we're looking at these supports, we're just kind of moving on up here, right? So you may be creating a support here today for price to fill the wick and retest all these highs. That's an idea here for today, especially a very, very weak bearish closure right here at support, right? Really at this area. You guys see this zone right here, really right there. So rejected into it, broke the lows, but couldn't withstand it, right? So got pushed back up, and now this current candle's pushing up too, breaking the highs there. So let's see about the 4 hours. So 4 hours moving up. You've got a really clean range, right? You create a resistance here with this closure. And now what price may be doing is working on a new support, right? So our last support is way down here. If price can create a new support right there, right? Break these highs and close something like this, this wick will no doubt get filled. Right, price will move on up, and then now you've got a ton of clean range, right? Ton of clean traffic here after you get through this wick. So pretty bullish, right? Even though we finally got one of our candles to close bearish, but pretty bullish by the looks of price action here today, especially with the 4 hour running up now, and then kind of, if we can make that new support. If not, we'd probably do something like this. Right, so probably do something like this, where you see how this candle closed with no top wick, and then you got this little bit of a fake out, right, to move back down. But if you see where we created support, you know, a while back, right, and then we closed above, we continued running here. So two options. That's why we got to be careful here, I think, and wait for this bullish or this candle there to close, because at any point we can flip bearish, break the lows here, and begin to drive down, right? We did get a bearish closure, so you know, you can see something like that. So we don't want to, and the fake out would happen obviously right up here on the lower time frame, and it would just look like this, right? 4-hour wick moving up for the retest of those lows. So you want to be careful, because you did close bearish yesterday too. So until I actually see a 4-hour candle close above, then I'm just gonna hold off on NASDAQ. But right now you are creating support here on the 1-hour time frame. So you got a support, you've got a resistance right here, and that's your range, right, that you're currently sitting in. Let's go see what that looks like on the 30 minute, same game, same range. So yeah, that's it. You could probably say, you know, we'll take range 2 buys above here, unless the concept we were talking about yesterday happens, where you get the 4-hour candle closing above, right? So if the 4-hour candle closes above here, then we no longer need range 2 buys above this 1-hour resistance. We can just take our buys, right? So that's what I'll be looking at here for NASDAQ. Pretty simple day. Both pairs got to wait for news to come out. Are you guys understanding the concept about the 4-hour close when it comes to range 2? I tried to explain it. I'm obviously sample sizing it for a bit now, and I'm beginning to be able to explain it a little bit better. But if you guys have questions on it, maybe we can go over that and stuff and sharpen our edge here. Yeah, I like that purpose. So have been learning a lot about being patient with winning trades and impatient with losing trades. Yeah, being quick to close in the drawdown, and you know, very patient with letting trades run. So now that I'm back to trading my own capital, it will most likely go that way. So you guys will see me probably manage risk a little bit more aggressively, because it's my money, you know what I mean? And it's a different approach when you're trading with firms or funding companies versus when you're trading with personal capital. There's a slight different approach to things, and you know, that's one thing I'm going to be doing, is obviously letting winners run a little bit, right? This is like today, me, John, and Joe are going out to dinner. I don't know, maybe we can grab up like a couple $100, you know, and just withdraw it and throw it on the table tonight at dinner. But it's more available, right? So letting your winners run a little bit and really cutting the losers quickly. You know, again, when you're trading your own capital, now you're diving into your own funds, right? You're diving into your own capital. So being quick to get out when things aren't seeming right is probably what you'll see me do a little bit quicker now. And then just letting winners run, you know, letting those winning trades get down to where we need them to be. But nothing will change in terms of what we talked about yesterday, right? Where every single trade's the same: stop loss, entry, TP, advantage point, right? Manage it based off of those parameters, and we'll be all right. When we doing that 24-hour stream again? Holy! Ask me again tomorrow. I'll think about it. You always forget about NAS? No, we broke it down. We got it. I kind of treat NAS like GJ a little bit. You'd be like, oh yeah, I forgot about pound yen. Jesus is Lord. Amen. It's so undeniable at this point. I mean, So overwhelming, man. The presence of the Lord. I pray you guys all experience the presence of the Lord, man. G Sammy in the building. What up, G Sammy? Cyber Tech Traders is late. Nah, you early, man. I don't think you're late. I think we are early, right? Because the time change here in the US. Do you use fibs for NAS? I don't. I do really like fibs on the 4-hour time frame, but I've pretty much trained myself at this point to like I can almost guarantee you this is like a 50% level, maybe 61.8, but most likely 50%. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. Like, I understand like what a fib is now, so I don't really need to pull it up, and because either way I'm gonna wait for my confirmation as well. TK still tired from the last one. Yo, that last one, man, towards the end I was getting tired. Yeah, we'll do it again. We'll do it again. Shout out to TK for staying up with me the whole entire time. TK and I think Sam. Yeah, TK and Sam. And I know some of you guys in the chat too, but yeah, staying up with me the whole entire time. Big W. Humble guru, eh? Humble guru. Look at my watch. Humble gurus be scratching their head all the time. You guys see that, right? Good afternoon, Chris. Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Yanosh was there the whole time, too. That's right. Yeah, Yanosh was there the whole time. Shout out to Yanosh. He said, nah, we ain't letting the mod squad down today. We're here. 32 subs. Who remembers when we had 32 subs, eh? 32 to 30,000? Or 32 to 32,000. Cheers, boys. It's been a good ride. AB Mike in the house. It's good, AB Mike. "24-hour stream was crazy." Yeah, we'll do another one soon. It was really fun. I did enjoy it. We took like 3 trades at that time too, right? Took 2 winners on gold, and of course we got clipped on GJ. Remember that? Freaking GJ, man. Sandman in the building. What up, Sandman? Can you please explain the EYES and time indicators again? Yeah, the EYES is just like when you just asked me about the fib. Notice how I said I can already kind of see it with my eyes. So like I don't necessarily need it up all the time because I've trained my eyes to really study these like patterns and these candles and all this, you see here on the chart. Like, I don't think I've really missed many days, if any, for the last at least 3 years of gold. Like coming here, New York session, watching gold, 30-minute candles, and just, yeah, through that chart time, it's just, you can't not grow, right? You can't not begin to get familiar with what's happening, what candles are doing, what price likes to do. So by default, by just being here every day, paying attention, you begin to develop the EYES indicator, which is just strictly your eyes studying price action, over and over and over and watching it. So that's how you develop the EYES indicator. You can't go download it. You can't buy it. There's no amount of money that's going to get it for you. You can't search it up on TradingView. It's got to be developed through time and effort and concentration. And, that's what I've done over the last couple years and just have never taken a break, never not showed up, no matter what was going on. I was there. I think there was like maybe a handful of days over the past couple years that I just wasn't on the chart. Maybe a handful, like meaning like maybe 5, you know, in the last like 3, almost 4 years, and just strictly watching gold here. So that's where the EYES indicator come from. And then also through that time, through that experiment, you also notice that the bigger candles of the bunch typically happen during the same time every day. So you begin to see, hey, when do these big candles show up versus when do these little candles show up? And an exercise that I like to teach traders is that if you go back on a 1-hour time frame or a 30-minute time frame and just begin to go back, right? And every time you see a big candle like this one or this one or this one, right? Not these guys, right? But these guys. Every time you see these candles, you go and you make a little note. You go 9 a.m., 9 a.m., right? 5 a.m., 5 a.m., right? You just write it down. And what you'll come to find out is that most of those big candles happen at the same time every day. So now you go study that time. Well, what happens during that time? Like for gold, you have typically it's going to be your 8:30 candle and your 9:30 candle are going to be the biggest candles of the session, right? Unless you get a push later on in the day, but for the most part, it's going to be those times. And then you ask yourself, well, why? You know, what goes on at that time, right? And then you understand you have the NY open, right? So you have a lot of volume coming, and then 9:30 brings you the open of the exchange, right? So that's going to bring more volume. So bingo, it begins to make sense. You begin to put these things together. Before, I had no idea that there was certain times where more volume came in than others. I would be dangling around in this range, price has gone a fib, bouncing off the 50. Let me just get in on any candle, and all that's good. It all works, right? But that's where I really developed some of these skills from, was really just chart time, man. Just chart time, just commitment, commitment and a hunger for it to really understand these things. I mean, I'm one of those guys where it's like, can we actually crack the code? Like, can we crack this thing? And if most people fail at it, can we succeed? So I just kind of put my all into that, and just was willing to commit. And then that's another one that you can't buy. You just got to experience it. What a lovely day. Yes, it is a lovely day. It is a lovely day. Yeah, TK spent days trying to find the EYES indicator. Telling you, man, it ain't up there. What's up, Ali Reza? Good to see you here today. Dropout trader. Louis G. Dan took the GJ one with us that time. Yeah, yo, one time I was explaining and TK was new at that point, right? I think you were pretty new to the live stream. He didn't understand my humor, because sometimes I say things and they may sound serious, but they sound like joking at the same time, and you probably don't know which way to take it. I like that though. It's like my hero Jesus. Like, he would speak in parables and just make you think. A lot of time the elite members, they ask me, son, I go, what do you think? What do you think about that? So anyway, TK man TK's very he's really good at doing like research and what do you want to say, like, just he's very quick with like getting random information that you need. So I already know he was the type of guy to go in there and type in EYES, he's looking for it in this search engine, that search engine. I could just see that happening, bro. Now that I know TK better, I could just see him digging for it. That's actually too funny. Good morning, Sam, man. What's good, brother? Live trading, XAU, USD. Yeah. Oh, let's go. G Sammy getting them eyebrows hit like Nick Stew. How you doing? Nobody move. Nobody gets clipped. I think I missed one day over the last year. That's a W, bro. That's commitment. Commitment right there. Some of you guys are looking up the indicator now. Did he say EYES? EYES plus Discord, yeah. 5K lifetime, gang. Lifetime access. Hey, I seen Austin Silver. He's pretty clever. I seen one of the posts that he kind of like as he promotes the interview and stuff, or the podcast. I see it was actually pretty genius. He said the one candle strategy or something like that. I'm like, yo, that's pretty genius. I can make a course on that and sell it for $5,000. You guys want the one, all my lazy people out there, you guys want the one candle strategy on how to trade gold? Yeah, someone's definitely searching that up, bro. You sleepy today? You probably ate too much last night, AB Mike. Did you eat more than normal? You guys ever wake up tired? Oh yes, Denzi, yeah, that's right. John's sleep stop got activated, yup. He said, "How you doing?" to his pillow. He said, "I'm gone." He never came back. Yeah, remember that? Didn't my internet like glitch or something? And like a stream shut down, and then we started a part 2. TK called me at like 3 in the morning to help out. Guys, gotta love that guy. He just called me and it began to work again. We didn't even do anything. Yeah, become a millionaire trader with the one candle trading strategy. What up, Fire Blaster? Putting in that work. Hey bro, I'm new to your channel. Just wondering if you're a Christian. Depends on what your definition of a Christian is. You got a lot of Christians acting in a lot of different ways. It's designed like that. The elite wants to try and throw it off. That's why it's so important to get into the Word. Got to get in the Word. Don't look at what the influencer Christian is doing. Look at what Christ is doing and teaching. Beautiful study today in Mark chapter 4. If you know, you know. TK, man. Yeah, TK is the man behind the scenes. We shoot the promo for the Dubai. Yeah. We're going to Dubai, man. Shoot that promo. Beginner friendly course. A newborn Christian? Well, Jesus said the only way is to be born again, right? So absolutely. It's a rebirth. Had a encounter with Christ in a jail cell back in 2019, and never been the same. Never been the same. And the Lord has been directing my path ever since. It's completely obvious. Just when you know, right? There's certain things that you just know. And I just know that Christ is the way. He's the truth. He's the life. He's the light in all men, right? And without that light is darkness. But what overcomes the darkness? Just a little bit of that light, man. So it's been a blessing in my life, and I just, you know, hope to be a beacon of that same light for others, and some hope on their lonely walk throughout this incredible life we got. Gotta stop over in Dubai. Yes, man. I'm gonna try. We're still planning that trip out. Where'd I buy my millionaire mouse pad? Where did I get this mouse pad? I think I got this from Tech Buds. Yeah, Tech Buds. Yeah, I always buy stuff from them. They got a lot of good stuff. Oi! Sam here. Oh, we're looking at gold. Yeah, we're looking at gold too. But I'm not gonna touch this until CPI comes out here. Where's Sam today? I talked to Sam. He should be here. Me and Sam both lost our wallet. Holy. Nah, we're gonna trade both today, potentially. TTE, oh, in Singapore? Yo. That'd be amazing. That'd be awesome. Meet up in Singapore. New Zealand? Oh man, I would love to. Snowboard? Oh yeah, and snowmobile, man. I love doing that. Do I know if SFT is no, I'm not too sure. I don't know what them guys or any of these guys doing. How many reliable brokers in the EU base can you recommend? 0. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with it. Yeah, so 1 hour candle close here too, but just slowing down here on the 30 as well. But yeah, I'm just waiting for CPI. Yeah, man. Mark chapter 4 this morning. As you guys can see, I really take time. I really like to do research. I love to look at the history of things and just chew on the word, man. I don't know. There's really nothing better to look forward to. I mean, it's like truly alive and well. It's absolutely incredible. And I love the fact that, like, you know, talking about today, like it just translates into life, man. Like, when you put in the work, you don't make the success happen. Like, you don't make things grow. Just like if you're a farmer, you don't make the seed grow, right? You just put it into the proper conditions. And that's all we do, right? As traders, that's all we do with the word. That's all we do in our, in our journey, is that we just give the right conditions to what we want to grow. And that may be showing up every day, that may be asking questions, taking notes, doing studying, right? Or when it comes to the word, I'm gonna throw the word out to you guys, but it's not my job for anyone to catch it, right? That's not my work. My work is to just put the condition out there and spread the seed, right? And I never force anything, force this system, strategy, force the word down anyone. It's just whoever has ears to hear will hear it. It's not my job to make it grow. It's just my job to scatter the seed. So And that's in life, man. That's why we talk about the non-negotiables, right? It's not your job to get from point A to point B. It's your job to have a vision and then do the things that take you to that vision. But when will you get there? I don't know. When will I get to where I want to be? Who knows? But I know if I continue to water the ground, if I continue to scratch the ground, to make sure there's good soil, right? The good fertile land for things to work in, and for my ideas to come about, then I know that it will eventually, right? And that's going to happen over a course of time. But the problem is most people just don't want to wait. It's very sad. And look, the Matrix has designed it to where it becomes very difficult for us to wait, right? Look what they're doing. If you look at kids now, they have, they could swipe up. I mean, I was born in 1990, so we didn't have it as big as it is today. But today you got young kids that are just swiping up and on to the next thing. Imagine what that's doing to their patient muscle and their concentration. It just throws everything off. And again, Matrix, it designed it that way for a reason, right? They want us very, very distracted and not getting the right conditions for our dreams to flourish. Yeah. The seed is falling on rocky ground, right? They know the word. Remember, the enemy knows the word more than most of us. He knows. So he's trying to make that mind, right? You need a fertile mind. Your mind acts as the land. And when the land is fertile and the soil is rich, right? Whatever is planted into it can really begin to bloom. But when the mind is very rocky or there's a lot of weeds in it, then that seed is going to be choked up, or it's not going to be able to plant properly. And the same thing, we are warned about these things in the word, right? It just, like I said, it remains true over and over and over and over again. So pay attention. Read your book. Read your book if you want to glitch the system. One guy I listened to, he says Jesus was the first glitch in a way. Like he was against the establishment. He was against the establishment. Oh, Friday's your birthday? Let's go. Let's get it. Break down the weekly time frame. If we were to shoot down, then wouldn't we break the high? Wait, where'd it go? Wouldn't we break the highs and then reject? We don't have to. We don't have to break the highs before moving down. No. Nope. Yeah, you don't have to break the highs in order to go down. I mean, typically you won't break the highs most time, but that's when they want to grab extra liquidity, which they could do, right? For sure. But I mean, most of the times in a good downtrend, you're gonna see price just kind of respecting the highs, right? Never really breaking it, just heading down. But hey, it could be a possibility. Doesn't have to though. But we are breaking these daily lows here again, which is pretty good. Yeah, it looks like the volume is slowing up a little bit, waiting for CPI. 20 minutes left. That's true, TK. Looks like news is priced in. I'm trolling. What up, Hank? Hank in the building. What's good? What's good? Stephen B is in the house. Welcome in, Stephen B. Where are you out on them push-ups today, brother? Oh, Sam Capital is in the house today. He's here. Oh, you know it's going to be a good day now. Holy, when Sam got that farm life milk, stop playing. That dolphin milk is here. It's March. It's March. We're bringing the dolphin milk back out.
Gotta slap the bottle, baby.
Slap it.
Slap the bottle. What's going on?
Yo, what's good?
How you feeling?
Oi. Feeling great.
Oi.
How
Let me
you
see the chat.
doing?
Hold up. Yeah, I'm doing wonderful. We got a nice, beautiful CPI report coming in here today.
Yes.
What up, chat?
Sir.
What up, chat? Oi.
Oi.
What up, Green? Elaton?
Green?
Arne?
I haven't seen Green. There he is. What up, Green? Slap the Green.
What up, Green? Oh, shit. Slap the bottle.
That's that dolphin milk. Y'all ain't ready, I'm telling you.
Oh, yes, sir. What do y'all know about it?
Unless you were on the stream last March, you don't know what's about to go down now. That dolphin milk come out, it's an edge. It's like an edge.
Type of timing. Oh, yeah.
Got time today.
Oh, yeah. Man, I've been looking at the chart. Everything's just range and waiting for CPI.
Yeah.
Except for gold a little bit.
Gold moving down nice and swiftly here, but we'll see. Losing momentum. Losing steam.
Yeah, let's see. It'll be a very interesting CPI report. I don't really have a prediction like NFP because the forecast is the exact same as the previous, right? So I think today is just a day that it's best to just chill out, wait for the numbers. If you look at the CPI year over year, last month it was last month it was 3.1. They're expecting the same thing, but
Same stuff.
we'll see. Maybe it'll come out green or red, and gold will actually make a decent move, and then see if we can capitalize off it. Maybe it might be like a
we should get
930 day,
Should get a
or
good
a
print.
9.
Yeah, or a 9.
Yeah, or a 9 day.
I think so.
True. Yeah, last CPI we had
A 9.
yeah. it
Yeah,
was
we
like
took a nice
905
trade there at
or
9.
something.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It was a
trade.
sell, right? Last CPI?
Yeah, so let's see actually now. So what were the numbers? Yeah, so it was a sell because there was green numbers last month.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we sold. Yeah, it made the original drop, and then it was a pack runner, right? That we took. Pack runner
On
slash
the
seller.
15 minute.
Yeah,
And
I
then
remember.
that was like money, bro. If that was like, we were like, yeah, that's the top wick for the 4 hour.
Yeah, that's right. Yup. I remember we came down with no top wick, and then the candle came up on the 15, gave top wick. I think it was 9:15,
Mhm.
and then yeah, I remember that. It was a good trade.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
It was good.
What up, Anilo?
Manilo, where's that warm baked bread, brother?
Oh, yeah,
I'll
he's
be
got
right back.
one baked bread. That
Oi.
sounds great.
Manilo, how you
Oi.
doing? Make me a piece of warm baked bread.
What up, Rafi? Z Gamer? I see you. Oi, Sama. Oi. Slimane. Louis G. Chala. Oi. What up, Lazy Panda? Susanna? George VDM? Mitko! Yo, Dropout Trader. Wags. Mitko! Yeah, I'm just reading names off. Farmer Pip. I like that. Yeah, man. How's everyone doing today, though? How's everyone been? What up, Johannes? Paras. What up, baby? Louis G, you're feeling bullish? Yeah, that's what I like to hear. Yeah, I always like to say, you know how there's a saying, it says, life imitates art. I always like to say, life imitates charts, right? Because if you look at like your life on a yearly time frame, you can go up, pull back, right? You're making higher lows, but eventually you're going up bullish.
Yeah, I posted something like I reposted a TradeZilla thing like that last night.
Oh, really?
You make higher highs, higher lows. As long as the uptrend is up, you're good to go. Hey, yo, Perez, tuck that wrench in, bro. Green's here.
I'm rich. Better than I deserve. Yeah, who says that? Dave Ramsey.
Yeah, Dave Ramsey. How you doing? Well, better than I deserve. How can I help you?
How can I help you? Yeah. He's like, all right, I'm 400K in debt, 30% interest rate. And he's like, such quaking.
Took out a mortgage.
Dave Ramsey, bro.
That's G. He'd be like, well, son, you got a big hole to go on, dig up out of there now, but it can be done.
Yeah. Got
Yo,
baby
he's great.
steps. Part 1.
Yeah. What you need to do. Yo, he's great. I mean, you guys like Dave Ramsey. Don't buy a damn thing for the next 5.5 years. Cut down that He's funny.
Sell the house, live in the cart. Lower interest rate.
Wait for the lower interest rate to come on up. Okay, take this scissor right here and cut all your credit cards in half.
True.
Oh, man.
Yeah, when Uncle's here, that's like the anti-Dave Ramsey. Uncle Scalp.
Oh, yeah, man. He was like leaning towards the other way.
He was.
Just max out your credit cards. Do whatever you got to do to get the job done in trading.
Yeah. Crazy.
And he's not even here anymore? Holy.
No. True.
Damn.
Salon.
Max them out. He was trying to get y'all to max them credit cards out, man. Imagine he's on YouTube for the first time in like 9 months. Just decides to click on the stream while we say that.
He's in the chat. Y'all talking crazy.
The first thing I do when I open up the stream, they talking about me.
He's funny, bro.
Yeah, I miss Unc too, man. He's a G. You just gotta do whatever you gotta do, man.
I remember whenever like someone hit his car and like he got it on video and just.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Look,
he had
bro.
the Tesla at that time.
He had the Tesla, so it had the camera in it. I was like, damn.
The Tesla. What do we got here? We got a chart in charts for stream. Let's take a look. If you guys have any charts you want us to look at, let us know. Let's see what we got here. This is pound yen, 30-minute time frame. Previous daily close strong bearish. Onion set up 20 minutes before NY open showed up. Celery entry on the break of that low. TP 20 pips, stop loss 12. Would you have taken this position? Any mistakes? It's a good position, but typically when it's 7:40, I believe, or 20 minutes before NY open, a lot of times you guys see me wait for the NY open, and that's why. Because these are the type of things that happen during like you have pre-New York, which is typically like 6 a.m. to 7, and then 7 could do like some funky things until like volume comes in. So I think you have to take that trade. Number one, I mean, it's there for you, right? And if you plan to trade during 7 or right before the open, which I typically don't like to do, so I probably wouldn't take that just because of that reason. But the setup is there. When the setup shows up, you got to execute. So probability wasn't in your favor this time, but why? Because maybe it was 20 minutes before the open, right? So when you have a system, and one of the things that I'm really learning too is like when there's probability, asking the question, well, why didn't probability work out this time for us? You know, because you can leave it right there as a trader. Oh, probability just wasn't in my favor. But why? Right? So when you begin to dig deep into that, the only thing I could really see that was wrong here was set up 20 minutes before NY Open. That's it. Otherwise, everything else money. Makes sense? Any other questions about that? Good trade though. Good trade. Oh wow. Gold's actually moving down here. Interesting. Filled that wick.
Yeah, it'll be interesting. See how CPI comes out.
Never know, man. CPI just might go like doink.
Yeah, right. Inflation is back down 2% somehow. Gold would go to the moon, bro.
Priced in or what? Yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe. Biden let out the secret last night.
Did he?
What up, Ruffy? Ruffy's in the building. What up, Ruffy?
What up, Rafi?
The one and only, the legend.
What up, AB Mike? What up, TK?
AB Mike, man, he's like the TTE chef. When we get our
I see him. He cooking up.
word.
AB Mike, he's carrying the logs and the boats too for us.
Yeah, man. When we
I
get
see
our
you, AB Mike.
TTE retreat, bro. AB Mike, we don't even have to hire a chef.
Yeah, we got
We got Chef AB Mike.
That's what's up. Yeah. Yo, AB Mike, he's like been in like different countries and that too. Knows the different cultures. He can whip
Word.
us up like whatever, bro.
We could whip it.
He's the plug.
Yeah. But we wouldn't do that to AB Mike. We'll hire a chef though, brother.
Yeah.
We don't want you cooking on the TTE retreats. We just want you enjoying life. But maybe you enjoy life by cooking. It kind of seems that way.
Yeah. What up, Yanosh?
Thanks for the trade analysis. I'll be more careful in the time in the next trade. Yeah, like you hear me say that, and now you just sample size it. You know, you see if that kind of lays true to what you experience. But that's kind of what I've experienced. I like 6 to 7, but once we start creeping towards that NY Open, I would much rather wait. And I've been saying that for a long time now. I've been applying that in my trading for a while. And you know, sometimes you're gonna miss that move at 7, so like it's totally fine. But yeah, I think that may have been the only issue within that trade there. Other than that, it was lovely. Setup was there for sure. Oh wow, we are moving down here. Very cool. See, like 820 pushing price right now.
Is that Comas?
And yeah, this candle's like all over the place. TT restaurant. The world time change? The US time change. Yeah, so just so you guys know, it's 8:22 right now. So we switched our clocks here in the US. I still have no idea why we even do that.
I don't know
Why
either.
any of us do it, but I don't know.
I think it's so funny though. Like, are you ever up for when that happens?
Oh yeah, I've been up at times to happen, yeah. Not this year, I
it's
wasn't.
so funny.
Before I had 3 kids, I used to be up for that.
Yeah, but that was like it's on Saturday or whatever.
Yeah.
I guess it would have been like Saturday night, and it was like 1:57 a.m.
Yeah, yeah.
I look at my phone. 5 minutes later, I look back. It's an hour later. It's like 3 o'clock. I was like, whoa.
Where'd the time go?
It throws you for a loop, bro.
Time flies, man.
All of a sudden, you get an hour more tired. No, I'm kidding.
I think this way is the best way, where it stays stays lighter, like later.
In the morning.
Yeah, and it's darker in the
I like-
morning. I like that better. They should keep that for like all year round.
Yeah. True.
And up in New York, well, yeah, in PA too. Like when that first happens, it begins to get dark at like 4:30. Right? Like
PM.
Yeah, PM.
That's what
Like
I'm saying.
4:30
Like it's
PM.
usually like 6 o'clock. It's blackout.
Yeah, completely dark. And like especially in the peak part of that, like it's legit like before 5 p.m. Like that's just depressing. Like imagine going to work in the dark and then leaving in the dark. Holy, where'd the day go?
Yeah, bro. It's
Where'd the day
crazy.
go?
Like, that's what I'm saying. Where did they?
Like
go?
last night, it was still light out at like 7:30.
Really?
Yeah,
I
the
haven't
one-
even noticed. I'm not gonna lie.
The one part about Florida is that we actually stay lighter like an hour later than you guys up there.
Oh yeah, probably because there's no mountains in that.
Yeah, like I think it
Actually,
just
I don't have any
it takes
idea.
the sun like a little bit long. I guess an hour longer. Do I also avoid 30 minutes before NYSE? So for 9 a.m., so like one thing I know about 9 a.m. is it's going to be like a massive candle from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Like that candle will typically be one of the bigger ones, you know, like a big one like that or like this. So like what I like to do is I like to break this candle up into 15-minute time frames. So from 9 to 9:15, I will typically most days let that candle go, right? That 15-minute candle. But once 9:15 comes along, I understand that we're in the money now. So from 9:15 to 9:30, so 9:15 right to 9:30, that's typically when the volume's going to begin. So we all know we have lots of volume coming in at 9:30. So if we can get in at 9:15, we get in front of the volume. So we get ahead of it, right? So that way we're in our position for when 9:30 comes, we can cruise along with it. Now, then you got 9:30 to 9:45, which is going to bring in massive volume as well. Where are we going? We're going off the chart here. So anytime I can get in at 9:30, I will. And if I can't get in on that 15 or 30 minute candle, because let's say price drove down without a wick, or let's say just, you know, either the setup or the entry wasn't valid enough, then I'll look towards 9:45 to trade 9:45 to 10. So there's 3 15-minute candles there that you can jump on when it comes to volume. So like 9:15, 9:30, and then 9:45. So if you can get in at 9:15, awesome. If not, wait for 9:30. If you can't get your way in at 9:30, then wait for 9:45, and you know you should have 3 really big 15-minute candles during that time. Yeah, but sometimes I like to stay away from 9 a.m. to 9:15 because that's the open of the new 4-hour. So sometimes like it's a 4-hour candle, it may need at least 15 minutes to get going. Gonna break my plan today for CPI. Hey, if your plan is to break your plan, at least it's still your plan, right? Most people, at least you have a plan to break your plan. Most people don't even plan to break their plan; they just break it. So hey, whatever works, brother. Oh yeah, he said, "See how stupid that sounds." I didn't even keep reading. It sounds so stupid, but oh so smart. It does sound very stupid, my friend, yes. At least you planned it, though. Oh, Paraz gonna go make himself a sandwich. Go make the sandwich, man. My prediction for CPI is I have 2 predictions. So we could potentially see this
Yeah.
or this.
I agree. I think it'll go up or down.
Yeah, man. Definitely one of those 2 for sure. Which one though? I'm not too sure. You gonna make Green a sandwich too, Perez? Yeah, I mean, it's my plan to break my plan. Leave me alone. I got a plan. It's to break the plan.
Yeah. Today's just one of the uglier days for it. They're forecasting it to be the same number. It's like, you don't know what it's going to be. Like, there's a massive difference between, like, the NFP where they're predicting, like, a 200,000 increase, and then they're predicting no change. Massive difference.
Let's
I'm
watch
gonna be
Raja.
Looking at the smaller time frame here now.
Always.
And I'm gonna have a sell stop
going to casino.
below this area here. And now we wait.
Now we wait.
Now we wait.
Let's go.
We'll have to wait and see.
1 minute. Let's pull him up. Raja, we are rooting for you. You can do it. Oh, what? Damn, he got the chat on slow-mo here.
Dang.
Okay, here we go. 30 seconds left over here now. 30 seconds left. I'm gonna move my sell stop right over here. I'm gonna move my buy stop a little bit higher.
We're gonna watch
because
it
the spreads
live
can
too.
increase, and increase in
3,
spreads can activate
2,
the
Blast off.
pending orders.
Bink.
Here it comes. Print.
So
Damn.
we'll have to see.
Sell stop get activated. Let's see.
We have 10 seconds left here now. 10 seconds left. 9
Ooh,
seconds
he's
left.
got a big delay.
We're about to head in over here now. And let's see
Remember
what
we were
happens.
using that one?
I can't hear
I
it.
mean, it's.
Oh.
What the? Oi. Oi. Oh.
Yo.
Wow, look at that slippage.
Look. Damn.
Look
I'm like trying
at
to see it.
that.
That's why we don't
slippage
trade
right
news.
there.
That's why if you're gonna get in.
What was the
Nah,
numbers over here?
nothing. I can't say nothing.
We got bomba clot out of this place over here.
Yo.
That's why I always like to get in before.
That's what you
gotta
call
be right about the
slip.
direction.
Insane.
Yeah,
You gotta be
man.
Right about the direction.
That is insane.
Yeah, that's tough.
Holy.
That's what happens.
That, is he on my Forex
I
funds
guess we
broker
do
there or
need some
what?
sort of
Word.
retracement. I think
That
we
was
do need some
that was
sort of,
MFF on the NYSE
continuation
Open.
down, right? Wow, that
let's
was
see how the
incredible.
numbers
Let me
came out,
remove my
though.
buy stop here. Oof.
Did you
Oh,
make any
yeah.
profits?
So
That was so
green numbers,
wild.
so it should just keep coming down.
Green numbers here.
Yeah.
Sheesh. He wasn't even speaking English there.
Still pending. Wow, look at that. Good numbers. Very good numbers over here.
Sheesh. Yeah, that's
Okay,
good. We should
very
make
good
our way down here on gold, like Sam just said, man.
$9. Okay, at least I made my a little bit partial of the loss back. So that's good. But wow,
Another loss on stream. People are paying.
that is insane. There was a big gap on my screen and sell stop got activated
Sheesh.
successfully. Oh, incredible. Activated sell stop,
Wow.
but I lost money. Yeah, man. Wow.
I told you guys, sell.
90 pip move. And this is why slippage
I
happens,
called
because
it.
Look, if a 1 minute candle,
Everyone called it.
1 minute candle basically just printed a big red
Hanko deleted the sell stop. You see that, Sam?
right here on the screen.
I believe it. Nah, watch. He'll get put in 2 minutes from now. Then he'll get put into a sell. That's what was going on with me, bro. Like, I would have my self stop, for example. It'll come down, hit it, and then it'll start pending. And randomly, it'll be like 30 seconds to a minute or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll get randomly put in wherever the price was at.
Sheesh. That's
why I'm-
crazy.
No.
So imagine you get activated like right here for a sell.
Right. Yeah.
Price
Like,
starts pushing up. All right, lovely. Big 4-hour close, man. Like we were saying from earlier. That's what you call whipsaw right there. Yeah, if you were holding sells, good job, man. W. Good job, Charlie Wolf. He's the wolf. That's a wolf move right there. Let's see what Nas did. Same stuff as gold, pretty much. Yeah, that's why I do not like to trade news at all. Just the slippage. Like I like the way you do it, where you're already in.
Yeah, that's the way I always like to do it. Just because this is the thing, is like, if I'm gonna ultimately just pick a direction, like I feel like, and I mean, it's nothing wrong with it if you're gonna do it, that's your plan, but
Yeah.
like this buy and sell stops, like that's just gambling, in my opinion. Because you know the volume's gonna enter you in. Yeah, I mean, and it's, you know, I know I ain't hating on no one that does it, because it's like, you know, it's your money, it ain't mine. I don't give a shit. But yeah.
Why you guys so brain dead?
It's volume. Here, I got it. This will be what makes this thing start moving. Cheers.
There it is. He's down in it. The dolphin milk is open.
I should try and chug one.
I should have.
That'd be a lot, bro.
I should have had a sell stop.
Yo, I was actually gonna say, this is just like thinking, but I wonder what it would be like on your account since you're on a future.
That's what I'm saying. We'll test it out next CPI. We'll do like a very, very small lot.
Yeah, I'm interested. I mean, I ain't gonna make you do it or nothing, but
You ain't gonna put a gun in my
spreads and all
head.
that are always like, yeah.
Yeah, I would like to see how it works. Cause man, I honestly I think I like. Actually, I know I like futures better. I know it.
I'm sure I will once.
Yeah. Even just starting out with them, I just know I like it better. 60 on the flip. Go. Let's go. Very nice. Yeah, CPI is one that I like to take it on the flip of the candle. You have no stop loss, but that's fine. You know, you just manually close it out if you have to. But yeah, every time CPI comes out, you typically get a move down, and then that flip will at least bring you back up to the top before going back down, if anything. So that's one thing we've done that a few times on the live stream.
Yeah. There was an NFP trade I remember. Fire.
That we took? Or that
I think
you
it was
took?
like a little bit after NFP. It was like an NFP where I think you took it too, but I could be wrong. Or maybe it wasn't NFP, but I'm pretty sure it was. It was like
There's our
it didn't
top
have
wick.
that. It didn't print. Like it didn't print, right? So then it was just like a normal setup. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong though.
No, you're probably right. Top wick on the 1 hour candle. Let's see if we can start moving down now from here. Back down. Let these numbers, let the results smooth out, get absorbed. Morning, Lee. Lee. What up, Bull the Trader? What's good? Oh, damn. What, Raja turned the stream off already? Sheesh.
He's gone.
I just looked back and the thing's gone already. Yo, some of these comments are funny. Buy or sale? Both. Yeah, both.
It went up. It went down. Now it goes up. So we do not know.
What goes up?
Green. Econ.
Where's brother John at? Holy. That is true, Green. That is true. Sheesh, man. Not even CPI can hold gold back here. This bullish rally.
Yeah, bro.
Damn. We drew this out. We drew this whole thing out this morning. Wow. Yeah, not even CPI. Green numbers can hold gold down here, man. 4 hour trying to break the high, come back in the range now. Damn. Let's see. Will we break that 4 hour high, or will we just come up and say hello? Wow.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I like where it's like, if it keeps like driving up though, like, ooh.
Ooh. 1 minute chart. Oh, we should have watched the 1 minute. Wow, look at that 1 minute bullish candle here. Damn. That was the flip you were talking about. You couldn't even close partials. Man said I wanted to take 20, but I got like 56. Those are the best. Those are what we talk about, like those little home runs that you get, you know, when you kind of don't really, you just gonna take your normal trade, but for some reason price just wants to give it to you today, you know. Little home run for you. Next time we trade the 1 minute. Here comes the 4 hour highs here. See if we break them. You know Lance Breinstein? You ever watch any of his stuff? He trades the 2 minute chart. There's the 4 hour high. Taken out.
When I was like brand new to trading, I don't remember what this dude's name was, but he was like the crypto playboy or something. And this dude would trade like US30 on the 30-second chart, like Bollinger Bands or something.
Sheesh. 30-second chart.
Crazy. Yeah, and like I forget like what his like plan was. He was like, if I see 5 bullish candles, then I'm in, or something like that.
Bro, my head would be spinning.
You literally have to sit there and permanently watch it every 30 seconds.
Someone should do that like on a live stream. So the live stream got mad trades on it.
Yeah, I mean, I have no idea even if this dude was even profitable. Probably not, bro. It would be like 2 p.m. and he's like, this one's looking good. I mean, with like US30 and that, it might be, but
Yeah. Wow, Goldie.
it's like a
4 hour.
95 sitting there, 30-second chart.
Yeah, really. Like how long do you trade a day?
You have to, you have to
3
sit there
hours.
and watch every candle. You got a new candle every 30 seconds.
All right, we're in an uptrend. Wait, hold on. Wait, now we're in a downtrend. 90 seconds later. All right, we're back in this uptrend here. Should we take a buy? Yeah, let's see what happens here. 4 hour cruising back up though, man. Sheesh. Not even CPI can hold gold down. Dang. Let us settle in. Let it settle down. Yeah, that's true. Let it settle down. Raja got slipped 90 pips. Damn. Did Raja W? I don't think. I think he, yeah. Didn't he say he made $9 or something? You made $9. Let's go.
Speed trading.
Yeah, so we got some time here. 5-minute candle close right at resistance there. This one's kind of struggling up here at this range, so we'll see what happens. 1 minute left. 15 minute still open. Wick down, wicked up. So crazy candle here.
Yeah, I like that NFP move better.
Yeah,
I
me
like
too.
when
It's more
clean.
straightforward.
Yeah, exactly. I like when it's clean.
Time to chill. That's right, AB Mike. We should have the guitar coming in here pretty soon. Crazy slippage, damn. How you doing, Goldie? What's a good broker in Mexico? I do not know. Good broker in Mexico. That I'm not too sure. Weekly candle flipping bullish again here. Wow.
Yeah, man. Like that 15 closure. Interesting.
Yeah, what'd we do?
I think the 4-hour close will just be...
Yeah, I think I want to wait here for the 4-hour. Just wait on it. Oh, late. Previous candle lows. We should have guitar coming up now, right? Next one, maybe? $10K steps. I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna get some more water. Dixie going down. Yeah, Dixie going down. Gold going up.
What up, TK? TK. So what is my recap for the news? Post breakdown? Man, it's tough, bro. At least right now to say, because fundamentals tell me bearish, but I also cannot argue what the candles are doing at the current moment. So I just wait. Because if inflation is up for the year from 3.1% to 3.2%, then that technically means that the Federal Reserve is going to need to hold the rates higher for longer to bring inflation down. So why would gold move up if we're going to keep the rates up higher for longer? But we'll see. I don't want to. I always say like price action is king though. Follow the candles because you need those to enter, have a stop loss, etc. The news just kind of gives me a, I guess like a forefront picture for what might happen over like the next hour or two. But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, yeah, we'll have to see how the 4-hour closes. And then that would be like our next big hint, in my opinion. Yeah, AB Mike, I know, right? I'm not gonna lie, when that popped up, that made me nervous. I don't know why. It ain't even like it ain't mine, but like, God bless it didn't show his password or anything. And Nick, if you hear me, for whatever reason, it signed you out of your trade ovate, bro, and it like pulled up the thing. Anyone knows my favorite meal? I like stuffing. I like mashed potatoes. And I like mac and cheese. Those are probably my favorite meals. Those carbs, bro. Well, I guess like food. Meal? Bro, I don't know. There's so many to choose from. Yeah, that stuffing on Thanksgiving is different, but yeah, ribeye, absolutely. Like I love steak and that all too. Matrix trying to glitch Nick, true. Yeah, bro, Matrix going crazy. Yo, what up, George Whiffington? What up, Ali Reza? What are my thoughts on Funded Next prop firm? I've never used it, so I don't know. 4-ounce steak, bro. You might as well just call that like a slice. Yeah, I'm good, George.
Matrix hack?
Yeah, bro, did you see that? Like, what? It just like randomly popped up. I was like, ooh. What up, Osman?
Mr. Whiffington, how you doing?
Eat more cucumbers to become clever? More
Ooh.
clever? Whoa,
That's pretty clever.
More to be even cleverer. You almost gave me a stroke, buddy.
John Stewart.
Oi, he's here. Bring him up.
Bring him
That's my
out.
boy.
Bring him out.
What up, my boys?
How we feeling today,
What
sir?
up, my brother?
Oh, we're feeling great. How you boys feeling?
I'm fired up. Yo, I can see the sun coming through my my blinds.
Let's go.
I'm getting excited. Yo, it snowed like mad on Sunday, and then it all started melting
Really?
yesterday morning. Yeah, bro. It's
Oh
crazy.
wow, you had snow?
Yeah, it snowed like crazy, bro. It's probably like 3 inches, like out of nowhere. Like, not, I guess not crazy, but like for out of nowhere, like it just like randomly started snowing. And then the next day it's 60 degrees and it's just sitting there melting.
Damn, dude. Is it the sun stayed out a little bit longer yesterday for you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Oh,
I always loved that,
it's
man.
out now.
I always loved that. It was like it was 7 o'clock out, and the sun was just shining. It was awesome.
I can't wait, bro, for those long days, summer. Like Nick was saying earlier, like get up, like watch the sun come up from darkness, and you got a nice long day, and it don't go down till like 8:39.
I know.
I love that.
Money.
That, bro.
Nah, seriously. I love it.
That. Yo, what up, chat?
Yeah, email was up, I know.
Yeah, Nick's about to get mad emails.
Yeah, don't worry, that's only one of my emails. So. I got emails on emails on emails. I got like 9
What
texts
up,
about
chat?
that. Yeah, your email's up.
You really?
God, happy Tuesday. We're on it.
Johnny Timberlake.
Hey, what up, Green?
Bye, bye, bye.
Gigi, I'm in Florida.
We're in Tampa.
Me in Tampa.
We're in Tampa Bay.
Yeah, man.
Where's Brother Joe? Brother Joe.
Brother Joe, check.
Brother Joe, check. Brother Joe, check. Checking in. Checking in. Is he here, chat? We should have called for him earlier. We're going to call for Joe early morning moving forward.
Gotta call him early.
Yeah, move back. Gold should move
Nah,
down.
he's in the gym. He's in the gym. I seen his story. He's in the gym.
How you doing,
Yeah,
Jojo?
here he is. I see you, Joe.
There he goes.
What's up,
Brother
Joe?
Joe.
Good morning, brother.
He's getting that early morning work.
It's the Joey. We've got a Joey in here.
What's up, baby Mike?
Joe with the flow.
Joe with the flow. You already seen? No, did we crack 33K subs yet? Hey, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're doing some giveaways tomorrow. We got 4 25K challenge accounts to give away. All you have to do is be subbed to the channel and like every single stream. So go back to the channel and just click the like button on every stream we've done. Don't worry, we've only done about 200 of them. It won't take you no more than 2.5 hours. Yeah, we should move down here on gold.
So, yeah, nice push up for a CPI. Come back down.
15
I
minute,
feel
looking
like
good.
Those moves, like, just because like CPI does that print, so like it printed down with the bearish news, and then I feel like it just comes back to make the top work.
Yeah.
Because it didn't get to. If that makes sense.
That makes sense, yeah.
We'll see though. 4-hour close.
4 hour. So far, so good. Honestly, the 4 hour, if we close below here, you're pretty money.
Oh yeah.
Pretty
I'm ready for some
gold.
sales.
Yeah.
I like to see that daily candle break that previous low. It's dope.
Yeah, that happened early too.
Let's see if we can continue that momentum now.
Yeah, as traders right now who are trading gold, you really want to see price come down now, right? We want to get out of this all-time high area and come back down, like down into these ranges here. That way we have all this range now moving back up, plus fresh price creating fresh ranges too. So that would be awesome. We're no longer like anywhere near the 1900s either, which is insane. We're gone. We gone on 1900.
Yeah. Lots of room.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we also have that fundamental catalyst too that is telling us that gold should come down. So
yeah, this was the
Yeah,
crazy
that's
drop
why-
recently. Boink down back to
Yeah,
like
that was,
1970. Remember that? A couple months ago, weeks ago.
Yeah.
Maybe?
yeah, that was whenever like the Yemen and the U.S. warships or whatever.
Yeah, that's right.
That
that's
was
right.
what gave them move up, and then I think it just came down with what price action. I can't remember if there was another fundamental event.
Fundamental. We should fill that wick.
I think so. so. 100%.
Especially we put some volume into it.
Put some volume into it. This guy deserves 25K. Chola, hey, I think Chola got one, right? Or did you get 50K? Chola got 50 or 25? 50 or 25?
25.
Chola's a beast. He just attracts greatness. He just attracts
What's up,
success
Chola?
straight to him.
That's how you gotta be. If you want success, you gotta become the person to attract it to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Chala the man.
Chola's been a great addition to the TTE crew.
Yeah, true.
Shout out to Chola. How long you been here,
Flexing
Chola?
in the chat.
I have both. Oh, okay. All right, Chola.
Damn.
Yeah, chill.
Man got both
Young man,
25 and 50. All right, my man. My fault. Let me step back real quick. Come grab the mic, Chola.
Yeah.
Chala standing on business.
Let him cook.
Sheesh.
That's funny.
Grab the mic, brother.
My man's about to put in some work with those accounts.
Guitar, baby. Here it comes. Right on time. So we got this 4-hour close here in 23 seconds. 23 seconds. Let's get rid of all like this stuff. Yeah, 1 hour is flipping bearish again too. 30-minute may close bearish as well. Let's see if we close below support.
Good.
If not, it would be all. If we don't close below, I'd rather close like this and then close below, like this. Then we drive down. So yeah, so we didn't close below, but we did close very nicely here on the 4-hour below everything. So we need a top wick, right? We're gonna need a top wick on this 4-hour candle now. What's that gonna look like? 1 hour close below, which is pretty good here, right? But even though price is moving down, this thing may still come back up here to create this top wick. So we're gonna wait on that and then go from there. Just enjoy the guitar.
Mystery of life. I see that comment.
Yeah, I would.
That's greed speaking.
Yeah.
Greed speaking.
Life. No,
Don't look at
facts,
the
bro.
money. Don't look at the money.
Don't let it get to the, don't
That's
get
fact.
into that moment right now.
Just listen to the charts to the left of you.
Yeah, I ain't gonna tell you what to do to your trade, but just know I know I've heard those words before.
Yeah.
Need
And that's-
more?
Oh yeah, look at that
God.
15 too, close with no bottom wick there. Yeah, we definitely need a 4-hour top wick here.
I want a nice retracement too.
Like I said, you got this support right here on the 4-hour, I mean on the 30-minute time frame. If we can get a top wick and close below like this, then we have our shot, you know? We got our opportunity now.
Yeah,
Alright,
it looks
close
good,
below like
too.
this.
It looks good, makes me feel confident when I
Yeah,
take it.
now we can take this confidently.
Heavy wick rejection to the upside too. At 30, 1 hour.
Nice packing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. That's one of the reasons why traders fail is because of greed. You gotta be able to take profits when it's available in the markets. That most definitely.
Yeah, I just say that because that was my biggest thing that I had to overcome personally. So I identify it easy. That's what I do. Yeah, mystery of life. W. See, now
Hey.
you can just walk away and have a great day.
Same thing happened last CPI. Remember? And we took advantage of it. So let's see, maybe that same idea comes together today.
It's a top wick gold.
Joey Stu, you ready for dinner tonight, bud?
Yeah. I hope that chef's ready.
Oh, he'll be ready.
Oh yeah, he was born ready.
The chef be chefing.
To make it with love.
Cook it.
You got these rejections over here too, right here, right here in this zone. So yeah, nothing we could do with this candle without a top wick here. Man going ham on the guitar. Wow, NAS closed in the range. That's actually pretty surprising. I thought we would break out there.
Yeah, how'd that 4-hour close?
4-hour looks pretty good. Closed right here, but it did create support.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, it looks like it. I don't know. I'm
yeah,
not
that
trading
gold
NAS.
15 though, no bottom wick. Dum, ba, dum, bum, bum. Wow. 4 minute bleeder. You're looking at 78 pips, 80 pips in 4 minutes there on the open. Oh, I think Alea's up. Someone's up. I hear
Makes sense
kids.
now.
Oh yeah, the 4-hour candle. Yeah, you're probably using a different liquidity provider than Oanda here, so that's probably why. Yeah, gold doesn't have like, yeah, I like that. I mean, it has the direction, which is down, but there's nothing in terms of closures or anything that says this is good to go here.
ID.
Yeah, these are one of those days where you guys be like, hey, if it drives here. If the rule is, especially at 9, you know, this is a 5-minute candle right here. Look at that, all the way down. 80 pip 5-minute candle. Also coming off of a candle with no bottom wick, which is pretty cool. Pretty interesting.
Yeah, man. I mean, that's what we mean, right? When we say the market's going to do whatever it wants and it's always going to be right, no matter what.
Always.
It's us as the traders who have the greater responsibility to wait on confirmations to position themselves correctly.
Yeah.
So, good example of it.
Great example. Let's see if any of the non-playbook homies took this.
Yo, mystery of life. Let's get it, bro.
Mystery of Life. I like that name. It's a cool name. Let's check the dollar out here. Yeah, straight up. Up and away. All right, let's see if we can pull back and get like a 15-minute pack runner, something like that. 15, 30-minute pack would be awesome. I like how we broke the low too. That's good. Past phase 1 today. Good job, DT Gamer. Good work, good work. LeGrand, it's time to go meditate, bro. Can we buy now? Sure. Why not?
Do whatever you want.
Yeah, congrats, DT Gamer. W, man. Post it in the the prop firm channel so everyone can recognize your accomplishment.
Congrats, bro.
Flex on him. On to phase 2. Yeah, let's see if we leave a wick fill here. A closure right around here would be ideal. And then a pack runner. And then boink.
Yeah, facts, bro.
Trying to see if we can make that 4-hour top wick here.
Make it first gold. Then close very nice below for 930.
Yeah, I mean, I would expect the top wick here. For sure. Daily's heavy now. If we get this closure today, we could finally say, okay, we could look for sells tomorrow.
Yeah, we can play sells to the next fundamental, like, which would be
Sure.
PPI, which might follow.
I went from -4 to -1. W. That's like yeah, good stuff. You covered 3%, man. Good job.
Oh,
Big
that'd be a
W.
good feeling. What's up, Paraz? What kind of sandwiches you make, bro?
Damn, Faraz, what? Word. That was a long time.
Probably
Or
maybe
maybe
it was,
you making
Ham and cheese.
sandwich? No, I'm trying to like do that video, bro. Trying to make a
Faraz, you can't even
Okay,
eat a sandwich cold.
yeah, that's how I was getting at.
yeah.
You making a mango sandwich are the best, bro? I've never even heard of that. That sounds good though.
Mango sandwich. Interesting.
Mango sandwich.
Yeah.
I'm good with just a mango.
Well, what if the bread is like the mango slices, and then you put a mango in between, so it is just a mango? I guess it wouldn't be a mango sandwich then. It would
Just
just
a
be
mango on some bread? Like what?
mango on mango.
Mango on mango, yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm saying like you make the bread slices out of the mango, cut the mango, then put the mango
Yeah.
between it.
Yeah, bro. Literally. Mango on
Yo,
mango.
what country is it? Someone from the chat might know. They pronounce it mango. I like it.
Mango. Mango.
Mango?
Mango.
DR.
Mango on
Right?
pizza? It might be.
Hell yeah.
Y'all are hilarious in the chat.
Yeah, it must be a big sandwich. Damn.
Sean, it doesn't stop, bro.
Mango.
Hey, as long as
salami.
it's as long as it's enjoyable, man.
Hey, as long as you like it, you like it.
Exactly.
All right, gold's confused. Up or down, gold, up or down.
Lost in the sauce.
Green.
We do a little mango.
Nah, Nick, you eat mango, right?
A little mango.
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 Green.
Yo, Usman,
The
bro.
grand. The grand.
What the hell?
That war chest.
That's exactly how I spell it too, bro.
Usman, bro, I'm fasting as well, man. It's whatever. We gotta work through it.
Man, why you gotta talk about food? What you guys eating today? Post it in the food channel. Post it in the food pics, man. AB Mike cooking. Billionaire cooking. Hey, Arnie, okay. Arnie chefing it up. I see you, I see you. Stick to that carnivore.
The KFC double down. What is that? The gambler sandwich?
The KFC pizza.
That's funny.
You seen that?
KFC double down. What is it? The
I don't even know, man. KFC came up with their own pizza. I was like, what the hell?
yeah, lock them up.
It's for real.
They're supposed to make chicken.
Lock
Yeah,
'em
facts.
up.
Lock 'em up.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Bro, why does this look different now?
What? What looks different?
Nah, I was getting something to pop up over here. Let's see if maybe it works on this one.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I don't know why it pops up here now.
What up, Mr.
No
Kraft?
mango.
Mango.
Yo, Chala, I feel like that depends. I mean, there's no right or wrong, but that depends on your situation. If you have enough money to buy more accounts, if not, you can afford to blow it. Depends on your level of skill.
Oh, okay. Thank you guys. How come I don't see my like what I'm risking though now? That's weird.
It's right there. You
Oh, right here? No, that's
like right by the units.
oh
no?
yeah, money right here. Okay, cool. Gotcha. Okay, cool. Gracias, boys.
What's up, Sandman?
Sandman. Alright, 15-minute candle closed here. But still, yeah, still, you need a steep top wick here right now. If you're gonna take off the 15. May want to wait for the 30 here. Banana nuggets? Holy. Oh yeah, don't be tempting the guys. It's Ramadan, man. You're getting them hungry. Forex Frank in the house. Good morning, sir.
What up, Forrest Frank? Yo, we need to change that from Forex to futures, dude.
Not yet, not yet. We'll know when he does it.
Yeah. Facts.
Oof, Nas chopping here. I'm going against the playbook for ICT. Show me the reverse. You're selling right into it. Are you trading real, funded, or demo? I'm trading, right now I'm trading real. I have funded accounts too, but I'm not trading them right now. What can we do? Yeah, you're right down here in this whole, like, fill in this range area too. So we really want to see a little bit of a move back up. We get a move back up here, then I think we got something on our hands. But until then, we're just down here, right? If we can kind of move back up, give this candle a top wick, and then get a new resistance, like a fresh resistance that we can sell from, like this, then I think those are going to be more A+ valid ideas than selling right here. Really, really would love to see a top wick. I'm on a buy. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Dun, dun.
When you trade, do you trade your real and funded account at the same time? Yes, but right now I don't have any funded accounts that I'm, like, I have the funded accounts, but I'm not trading them. So like this right now, because you know everything's happening with like all this transition stuff, so I'm not touching the funded, so I'm just trading the real account.
Marcus, I would say look left and set a target, a partial target or a take profit target. And once you're near that target or you hit that target, take the money when it's available to you. That's what I would advise. And make sure you're looking left logically and listening to the candles and seeing where we could maybe reject from, where you have clean traffic to. And then following that plan.
What you sipping on? Best to watch that sugar. This has, you guys see it? Oh. Oh, oh. Hold on, there it is. No sugar. This is excess energy. Look it up. It's from Amway. Zero sugar. Loaded up with vitamin B12, ginseng, echinacea. This got a lot of good stuff in it. 15 calories.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I've been selling these online
That's
for
the only
10 years.
That's the only energy drink that doesn't give me heartburn, to be quite honest.
Yeah, that's the only energy drink I can really drink. I've gone on to demo while I wait for the transition. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea.
That's really good, bro. Most people aren't even showing up.
Yeah.
You're ahead of the game, bro.
Yeah, most people use this as a vacation, but then they never come back to the charts.
Exactly.
When you're in motion, you stay in motion. When you're out of motion, you got no motion. Damn, Clinks. Yeah, I've been hearing horror stories, man.
Is that getting fixed? Anyone know in the chat? Like, are they starting to give people their payouts or? Crazy.
No idea. No breaks. Arise and shine. Let's go. W. I get that answer a lot. Oh, no way. Excess? What? I know about. Yeah. Excess the best, man. Amway got the best some of the best products out there. This is some wild berry.
Yes, sir, Jimmy. Let's go. I like your mentality, brother.
Yeah, that's the only way to do it. Hey, we all got no hats on here today. Huh?
Oh,
Are you on TikTok? Are you on TikTok?
They're trying to ban it, bro. Did you see that?
yeah.
Oh yeah, 50 to 0, right?
I didn't
On the
know
votes.
I didn't even know that it went through or that they did it.
The products of Amway are fire. I like the detergents, the toothpaste, yo, the vitamins, everything, bro. I'm telling you, they're all fire. I've had an Amway business since 2020. No, 20. Damn, what year did I start?
2012, right?
2012, yeah. 2012, 2013.
They got toothpaste there. It's crazy.
Oh yeah. Yep. Okay, so let's see if we can get what we drew out there, and then maybe we have cells here to take. Just a waiting
Damn,
game.
dude, I may want to see that pack.
Yeah. Yeah, it may happen on the next. So this 30 closes here in 4 minutes. So it may even happen on the next 30. And if it does, I'm going to take sells here. So if the next candle can come up, break the high, and then pretty much at the reflip is where I'm going to look to take sells. Am I still selling Amway? Yeah, what you need? Got you. What you need, bro? We'll
Gotta plug you in.
we'll get your whole family together. I'll pull up to the crib.
Time to fly across the country. Actually, across the world.
Tupperware party. Yeah, nah, Amway's great. Great products, great leadership, great mentorship team. All right, can we get this top wick? We'll see. We're going to start recruiting. Hey guys, if you guys want to figure out a way to make some extra income on the side, stay a little bit later from the stream. We're going to play some music and I'll come on back up and share an opportunity with you guys. Hey, you guys could probably make money.
All things are possible, man.
What's the drink I always drink? It is excess energy.
They got fire protein bars too. Not gonna lie.
Oh man,
And protein shakes.
Yo, their protein shakes. Holy.
That tastes like an ice cream shake.
All right, Legrand. Later, brother. Have fun. Have fun.
Legrand.
Peace, Grand. Enjoy your day.
See you mañana. Mañana.
Adios, amigo.
Damn, really want to see this candle pull back a bit here.
For real.
Really want
The
to.
4 hours just closing now too on this other chart.
Yeah. Yeah, did you guys take anything? Sam, John, anything yet?
Nah, just waiting.
$33K subs. Hey, if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Can we crack 33K? Can we do it today?
Oh.
Does it cost $35? Yeah, for, well, not for one of them, for like I think 12 or 15. I can't remember how many come in it. 50K before GTA 6. we're gonna be on the map on GTA 6. Here's the TT headquarters.
Land.
Yeah, we got away here, gang. Dang.
Dude, TK is like the guy from GTA, Lester. Like, you can call him and this dude will do anything, bro. Like, you got the cops on you, you call Lester, or you call TK and he gets them off.
Yeah, that's actually funny and so true.
He can do anything.
We could do it all. Nas juicer in 2 seconds. Oh yeah, look at this. So 9:30 open here on Nas. Let's see what happens here. We're still in this overall range, but it's actually not bad. You may get this wick to fill here on this volume coming in. Gold, let's see what happens here. No signs of slowing down here, man. This here would be great, right? Support formed. And then back down.
Yeah, I agree.
Does that drink ship worldwide? Yes. Yep.
Yo, TK, it's funny. I'm about to pull out my phone when I need help. When I'm playing GTA 6, gonna call T. Ray Donovan K.
Donovan K.
Hilarious.
Hey, pod with Austin Silver drops tomorrow. Mañana. GTA 6. It's been 11 years, really? Wow. No way.
GTA 5 came out in like 2012.
Damn, no way.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's been long, bro. Like, I think GTA 5 was like on the PS3. Like, they're on like the 5 now. They'll probably be coming out the 6 by the time that thing comes out, bro.
PS3. What are we at now? PS5, right?
Yeah, that's that.
PS5.
But the 5, I don't know. I think it's been out for a little while. The 6 will probably come out. I don't really know anything about it. Someone in chat probably be like, there ain't no 6 coming out.
I don't know what you're talking about, man.
Whoa. I know nothing.
Nothing.
2028 TK. Oh yeah, it's got a little while. Never mind.
Yeah.
And Marcus.
Oh man. Oh man.
You know damn well they're coming out at P6.
Vice City, yeah, I remember that one.
Did you guys like going online or did you guys like doing the missions?
I played like a little bit of both. I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't really get like too into it, but I just
think I
like
did
playing it.
missions
Like
in
it's
that
like one of those games that, yeah, like just like the story player,
Yeah,
player,
word.
whatever it is.
Nice.
I like Trevor.
Trevor, yeah.
He just like me. No, I'm kidding.
Remember San Andreas?
Hell yeah.
Yo, what was the game with? I don't know which one it was. It was like the Ballad of Gay Tony or whatever his name was.
Yo, you ever played the game, the 50 Cent game?
Nah, but I've seen it.
That one was.
That's hilarious, bro. That's the G Unit game.
I wish I would have played that.
Yeah, the G Unit game, man.
No, isn't Snoop Dogg in it? I watched a video of Snoop Dogg playing it while he's in it, and then he watches himself die, and he's like, no.
No what?
Yeah, it's like thrown out a window or something, bro.
That's
actually hilarious.
That's sketchy. Don't fill this wick. Don't fill this wick yet.
Damn.
Naz. Yeah, man. Gold just running here on the 4-hour, no top wick at all. Did most of the work in the first 5 minutes. Just been ranging since.
Need a retracement at this
The
point.
disrespect. Yeah, Get Rich or Die Trying was the name of it. Yup. I remember. I think it was Young Buck or Tony Yayo. They picked the locks. Remember that? That game was pretty good. I remember playing like the mission side of it.
The Def Jam.
PS2, right?
50?
I don't know.
I think it was just the one.
Oh, really?
The Power Slap game, Anilo. I've only seen the videos. That stuff is hilarious, bro. It's literally just like two dudes. They sit there and just slap each other. The one of them falls.
No way.
Yo, it's like the actually the UFC is getting behind it right now. It's hilarious, bro.
Really?
Yeah, I have to send you a clip of some of it. There was one video I seen. It was so funny, bro. I was dying laughing. There's like some guy was like commentating over top of it. He was like gambling on it. He's like, knock this bum out. He almost messed up my parlay.
How long do payouts take with top one? They take 1 month. 1 month from when you take your first trade on the live account. Or the live simulated live. However, it's supposed to be said. UFC was good this weekend.
Yeah, who was it? Sean O'Malley and
that other, that I forget his name. He got his face beat.
Yeah, that's why I can't remember his name. I can't recognize him no more.
I forgot who he was.
Power Slap is Dana White's company. So wait, has he always owned it, or? I'll have to look it up.
Yeah, man, that power kick, the knee to the face, that was tough.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I was watching it like, yo, that takes some skill to do that.
Oh, yeah.
Kicking in that.
That dude, I forget his name, but he can take some hits, man. Gold is a goner. She gone.
This is good though.
This is totally
Different.
fine. Yeah, this is A-okay. Yeah, Vera, yeah. Vera. Dana White, man.
Facts, Marcus. Marcus will slap you up too.
Yeah, the only thing I can see here now is if we can pull back like we were talking about earlier. Get some sort of, especially on like the 15-minute time frame, get a retest of these zones here and then create resistance. Other than that, we're just bleeding. Let's see. We'll see. Yeah, it could have been done already just on the 5-minute. Yep, right here. I dig it. Sheesh. In other news, got some food picks. TK's drinking coffee. That looks fire. What's that, chicken?
Chicken.
That chicken does look good. Yeah, so 30 close, 15-minute candles are going to close here in about 4 minutes. NAS really running. Gold as well, really running here. Give me 1 sec.
Sir. Yo, chat, what's the weight today? y'all got going on? Gym sesh?
What's the word? Yeah, I got some gym today. I got some
Yeah,
chest
yeah.
and try today.
Hey, chest and tries sounds fun.
Yes.
Fire.
What up, Daniel?
Oh, what else you got planned for today, Sam? Just gonna hit the gym and chill.
Bro, like I got a bunch of stuff I gotta deal with and get figured out too.
Gotcha.
They've been freaking quaking.
Got you.
Yeah, but no, man, I'm gonna try to get out, enjoy some of the sun and that if I can. I don't even know if it's supposed to be warm. It just looks super deceiving right now. It's like it looks like it's 80 degrees out there, but
Really?
let's look at the weather though. Yeah, it looks beautiful out.
I'm curious to know what the weather is.
It's 43.
Damn, 43.
Yeah, it looks beautiful though.
Yeah, I mean, if the sun's out, you still get some sun, you know? Screw it.
Yeah, I think I honestly kind of did. Like, I don't know if you could tell, but like over the weekend, I was hooping. I didn't care on Sunday.
Word?
It was like
Well,
30.
Actually, you definitely did then, probably. Alariza. I am. It's actually 58 right here right now too, but it's gonna get into the 80s later.
Yeah, that's what's up. I think the high today is like 60 though.
Alright, but that's not bad.
Yeah,
Awesome.
nah, that'll be nice.
So,
Mark,
yeah, Martin, where
where
you from?
you at?
Yeah.
You from PA too? Gotta play some basketball TTE on the next meetup. Yo, I'm working on my jumper. I'm like six foot, so like I'm good at the layups already, bro.
Nah, yo, we'll do that. Next
Yeah.
meetup. Let's run it.
Yeah, we'll hoop.
Uh,
That'd be what's up. Imagine we
sir.
got like a whole game.
whole tournament, that'd be sick. Martin, I do both.
You're in Jersey. Probably terrible. I apologize. Jersey.
Jersey's only good in the summer.
I've never been there. I've never been anywhere. Like not actually, but like
Nah,
seems like it.
we're gonna
Yeah, like I
Me,
never
you,
been
and
to the
Nick,
beach.
me, you, and
never
Nick.
been to. Yeah,
me, you, and Nick are gonna travel around the world, bro. telling you.
let's do it.
And yeah.
Well, where have I been? I've been in New York one time. I've been to North Carolina like one time.
North Carolina.
West Virginia a couple times. Ohio a couple times.
West Virginia, you're right by there, right?
Yeah, that's like it's like an hour and a half for me,
Got you.
if that.
Got
Yeah,
you.
there's 15 closed below, but I want to see a steeper pullback here. Like we did close below. It looks like we closed below here too, drove down, and same thing here. But I would much rather see like a better pullback.
Hell yeah. Purpose, yes, I do. I fast every day.
Any amusement parks near me, TK? Yeah, we got Kennywood. We got what else is there, bro?
Hershey Park, right by you?
Nah, that's like 5 hours from me.
Lele.
The number 1 children's park in the country is actually like 10 minutes from me, but obviously I ain't going there.
Yeah.
Lele.
TK, let's do it, bro. I'll meet you in Texas for some steaks.
Texas.
Yeah, we got Busch Gardens by us over here. That's really it.
Busch Gardens, that sounds familiar.
Yeah.
What park? There's like 3 of them like down in Pittsburgh, TK. I think it's like Kennywood, Sandcastle, and then there's another one, but I can't think of what it is. But Sandcastle's like a water park.
Hi, Buggy. You okay?
TK, let's freaking run it, bro.
Are they any good? Yes, bro. The Kennywood is. I ain't gonna lie though. The last time I was there, one of the rides, like it got stopped with like all the people on it, and it was just sitting 100 feet in the air.
Oh,
And everyone else, I was like, nah, we're not getting on this. Let's just like, we ended up getting on it. But I told them, I said, if this thing stops at the top, I don't care if we're 100 feet in the air, I'm getting out and I'm walking down this thing. Ain't no way I'm just sitting in here. Ain't no way I'm just sitting 100 feet in the air, bro. No chance.
Dude, that's like that one time at Six Flags on King Ka. That thing just stopped right at the top, bro. Sketchy.
Yo, I was actually watching a video about that, bro. You can see New York from that thing. And Philadelphia. I
would be shooked, honestly. I'm not gonna lie.
I've every time I've gone on King Ka, I've had front row.
Dude, you're serious.
Roller coasters are insane.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, I think I have a video of that roller coaster when it stopped at the top. And I was like, nah, look at this. I was like, trying to get me to go on this, bro.
I work out while I'm fasting. Yeah. I like to walk too. Walk a lot while I'm fasting. Feels really good.
If we can come back up here and then go back down, that'd be great. Turn up the mic. Turn it up.
Yo, TK, when you going down to Disney World? Because I'm going down there for a couple days too. End of the year, in like December next year. Yo, Rob, that sounds really fun, bro.
Oh, nice. Here it is. Back up towards 61 now. Yeah, fake out up here would be awesome. Even higher. We can come even further too. You got this level right here as well, which is 64. I would expect 64. Like, you see how like price came up here, 64 tap plus. That's the recent like most logical support. I think that was the same. Yeah, that was the same one as the 30 too. So that would also give this candle a top wick. Let's see. We might just do it here, but if not here, then our next point is probably 64, 65 up here. Where will the pullback go to? We may never know. We may break all-time highs now.
Yeah, that was the news.
And that's your news. You guys are gonna want to get whooped in basketball? Pull up. Oh, okay.
Oh, hey, he was talking that.
Pull up to Durham. Where you live at, Durham? We'll go play at. We'll go play at Duke.
I see.
Let's run it.
Go play at Duke.
I wanna pull up to North Carolina soon here. Try to make it happen.
North Carolina. I have 2 friends that live in North Carolina. Does John work out fasted? Yeah. We pretty much, me, John, and Joe pretty much stay fasted all day.
Sure. Ever since I started doing it, I haven't gone back. I love feeling hungry throughout my day.
Yeah, it keeps the brain firing.
Exactly.
I don't say I fast, but I'll say like I eat a little lighter. Like I'll drink this chocolate milk and I'll probably be like, oh, I'll have honestly till like maybe like dinner. Like I might have something else, but
Dolphin milk?
Dolphin milk.
yeah, what'd I say? My bad.
Fairlife. I know which one. Yeah. I've never tried that one, but that one like looks like it tastes hella good.
Nah, I don't even drink it for the taste, so it's I mean like it tastes good obviously, but it's hold on, I gotta do some math.
I think it's 13 grams of protein per cup.
Yeah, per serving, and then there's
It's pretty good.
Serving, so yeah, this is like 80 grams of protein in here, this whole thing, and then 840 calories. It's got like all the sugar in it reduced to half the sugar than regular.
Definitely high in protein, that's for sure.
Sugar man.
And it's lactose
Where's Sugar
free,
Bear?
in case
Speaking
you're
of sugar.
lactose intolerant. Yeah, where's Sugar Bear at?
Sugar Bear.
It's my boy.
Yeah, and that's just me personally. I mean, there's no right or wrong, you know, but
Nah, but I agree though. I think fasting is great. I think like it just gets looked at in a little bit of a negative light sometimes. But no, I'm right with you there. Like I don't like to feel full. I don't like to feel like because then my brain ain't firing fast enough.
exactly.
I just feel like sluggish and yeah.
Because your body, your gut is like your second brain, or really your first brain, to be honest. So if that's too busy, you know, breaking down Jolly Ranchers and all that, then you know it's gonna be tough to think properly.
Facts.
I don't believe one of those, but
Trying to break down lettuce and stuff, you know, that lettuce.
rabbit food.
Bro, my body be like, yo, why are you giving me lettuce right now? Do a little trolling.
My body be like, why are we drinking dolphin milk and not regular milk?
Nah, but if there is ever a time, like I personally get like, I don't know, lunch or something, like I'm eating light, like very light meal. Like if I go out for breakfast, it's like 2 scrambled eggs.
Yeah, and that's good though. Good
Yeah.
protein, good vitamins, all that. But yeah, like you were just saying, Nick, like that's so true. Like your gut's your second brain.
Oh yeah.
90% of all of the serotonin, which is the chemical that makes you
Yup.
feel happy, is produced within the gut.
Yep.
So if you're eating garbage and drinking Mountain Dew and Doritos,
Mountain Dew
it's
and
literally
Doritos.
just dead nutrition. Yeah, dead nutrition. Like, bro, it's that's why you feel like crap.
Shots.
Bro, it's crazy.
You're a range.
When I go to the park with my daughter, or even when Maverick comes too, like I'll be talking to like the other day I was talking to this guy, his grandson was playing on the playground. I'm like, how old is he? You know, he looked like he was, I don't know, like maybe 2, and Alea just turned 3. He's like, nah, well, I didn't say is he 2. I was like, how old is he? And he was like, oh, he's 3.5, almost 4. And like Alea was like way bigger than him. I'm like, damn, you know, like because a lot of these kids now they're eating, but they're not getting any
The right
nutritional,
nutrients.
like
Yeah.
no nutrients whatsoever. Like they're getting Happy Meals, dude. You know, so it's like it just shows you like Alea, all she eats is like chicken, beef, avocado, fruit. Basically, she has a carnivore diet, like carnivore-ish fruits and meats, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
And Maverick, dude, if you've seen him in person, this dude's built like an ox, bro. Ox.
He is an Aki boy. Bro, I will
Big
push
dog.
that kid. He don't even budge. Like 1 year old.
Yeah, man.
Like
It's like those weight training bags. They just wheel back and forth.
Yeah. They'll eat like rice or pasta sometimes, like just stuff like that to have with their food. But Other than that, a lot of blueberries, a lot of strawberries, a lot of avocado.
Yeah, no, well, that
Chicken.
stuff's all good too.
Yeah.
Though. Like the carbs, it's just like your body's just gonna use that for energy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, exactly.
Like the pasta and that you were talking about, yeah.
I really yeah, that's why I like carnivore-ish. I really like that one.
Yeah, carnivore-ish.
I think they call that actually a Mediterranean diet. Not that
Really?
it
Oh, yeah?
matters. Yeah, like fruits and meat, I believe.
Fruits and
I
meat,
could be
yeah,
wrong.
that's
Someone
pretty
in the
much what
chat
we
could
eat.
correct me.
That's what
Yeah.
that sounds actually pretty correct, honestly.
Yeah. I'm not too sure. I think. I don't know. Not that it matters, bro. We can call it the goat diet.
Yeah.
Go.
Goat diet.
15 closure. Really want to see a heavier retracement than that.
Yo, Paraz, if you pull up to one of the TT meetups, dog, we'll hit a gym sesh, and we'll have a weightlifting competition.
Competition. Yeah, worst case, I mean, the 1 hour is closing too, you know, but the 1 hour has this support right here, which you are closing below, but you're way down at this point. So I really want to see some sort of a move back up before we take sells here, man.
Oh yeah, dude.
I'm seeing exactly what you see. Like,
Yeah.
it just looks like it's slowing down at the bottom there.
This candle's going to close in 10 seconds. If it closes above, that's pretty good. You may get the pullback at this point, but you may not get another move till like 11:30 here today, which is
I know.
like an hour and a half away.
You're on the market's time, bro.
Yep. Yeah, so the 15 did close back above there, so I don't see anything A plus right now for sells.
Seems like we made a low, and now we need to wait for a pullback and resistance to be formed. Raja 101.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here because I got some things to do here today too, and I gotta run out real quick, and then I'll probably be back at the desk more so around like 11.
Yeah, I like that too. Because then if you want to sell, then you have like this. Once this daily candle closes, it'll be bearish, and then tomorrow will be even better.
Yeah, exactly. Worst case, we come back tomorrow, like Sam said, and then you have
Yeah.
that bearish closure. So yeah, other than that, I really
then
don't
the
see.
real rundown.
Yeah, I don't see the point of selling, especially like right into this. You know what I mean? Like it's just
Chop.
you're right in this choppy range. You could experience a lot of consolidation. So like what I do want to see is I'm still open to take sells today, but I want to see candles run back up towards like 69 up here. And what that does too is that'll give the 4 hour candle a top wick. And if the 4 hour really does want to drive, again, there's still like 3 hours left in this candle, right? So if you do get this, then I think sells look pretty good coming down to retest that support. And then it may like come down here, retest that zone, and then that'll probably be the last move of the day before you get like price to chop around back in this range here like it did previously.
Yeah, bro. I agree.
Yeah, so gonna call it.
Yeah, W day,
Good
WCPI, W stream.
Yeah, W stream, good stuff. Another day to observe CPI too, and hang out and get to talk about a few things here. It was, again, I do think you could see another move today, but not just yet. And if it goes, it goes.
Hey, time to play patience.
Yeah.
But yo, Nick and Sam, it was an honor to chat
It was a
with you
privilege
boys
to have
on,
you here today, sir.
this Tuesday morning.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, we still got
Lovely
all
Tuesday.
week ahead of us, and we got a bearish closure, most likely. Like 90% this candle closes bearish here today. So it should be a beautiful day coming in tomorrow too.
Yeah, 100%.
Cool.
Alrighty, gentlemen.
All right, boys.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, sir.
Chat. You know what time it is?
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep. I'll hit you guys later.
All right, brother.
All right, bet, brother.
See you later. Later,
Peace,
John.
Sam.
I'm gone.
Peace, Nick.
Take it
Later,
easy.
Peace,
dude.
chat. Have a good day. Stay
Later.
blessed. Praise Jesus. Peace.
Blessed. Amen. Hallelujah. Yeah. That's it, man. If this candle decides to drive here, it's totally fine. It's okay, right? We've been driving since 82 up here. So it's totally fine. If you really want good sells, you may want to wait for a pullback. I'll keep you guys posted in the Discord if I'm looking at anything a little bit later. But yeah, that's the day here. I hope you guys have a great one. Glory to the Father on the way out. Much love, y'all. See you guys tomorrow. Peace, peace. Later. Beat drop.
Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. All I can say is holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. Get the one, this is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
Pushing to the limit cause I'm never gone for. Steady prayer, come music could put me on time. I can start swing when I wanna shake with a word. Times and times every day in my heart. Got down but I still be going in hard. Check distraction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, hold the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die. saved my soul from getting defeated. Saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. See, this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Got the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.